Alright guys, we are back at KPM and we've got Cal here and we've got the XR6 on the dyno. Now mate, tell us, well, what have you done since I pulled it into a million pieces?
So since you've been gallivanting around the globe, left it in pieces for me. It's had a big clean up, pretty much everything was off it. From there, the head got cleaned up, the block got cleaned up, the Kinetic head gasket on the studs.
Yep.
The sumps come off, we've got the oil pump gears in there again, sump, everything, that's all cleaned up now as well.
Perfect.
We've got all the fuel system in, so we've got the 700 horsepower drop-in module in the tank. We've got the injectors and fuel pressure reg, and then pretty much every gasket and little detail replaced because she was a bit grubby.
Bit grubby, but which we knew, but well, we knew once we opened it up.
Was still a budget build. I guess it's still a budget car. It still
exactly.
works.
It's not like, I mean, I do like it and I do enjoy it. It's a manual XR6, which we love.
But so without all those goodies, you blow it up pretty quick.
Yeah,
so
exactly. So
too much fun.
Well, now's the exciting bit. We're going to be running on the dyno, see what numbers we can get, and have a play.
That's it.
Let's do it.
Finish her up.
I have to have a guess.
I got to see what this turbo is going to be able to do. That's all. That's the big thing. Is what that's going to, how quick it's going to spool up, where it's going to hold, obviously with the wastegate setup that's on it, because it's running the factory exhaust housing with the larger gate on it.
Yeah.
We'll just see what it ends up at.
What do you reckon, 15 pound?
On the BAs, 15's healthy.
Yeah.
Over that, it's sort of stressing the rods a bit.
Yep.
But if I hold it flat at 15, like, it's amazing. It'll sing the whole way. So every gear change will be on peak boost all the time. So.
Well, that's good. So we're going to go like 350?
Nah, I
was gonna say
318. 320 is very, very healthy for a BA.
320.
Yeah.
321.
Back in the day, the thing to, like, when you had a turbo, the thing was if you're in the 300 club, you're winning.
Yeah, right.
So.
All right, 303.
318.
318. All right, there we go. We've got some numbers there. See how we go.
So all the fun stuff's already set up.
Yeah.
Sounds like it's got big cams in it.
Ghost cams.
Yeah, so just all the tunes are on here. We'll flip between them. The same tune as the normal one with full power, everything. It just sounds a bit tougher at idle. Some people like it, some people don't. Then I've got a lower boost tune. Toggling the tune selection there.
Yeah.
And then we just select up or down through the tune slots.
Ghost cams. That's a go. That's sick.
And there's one other little feature which we'll get to.
Yep.
Which actually works quite well at the moment. Now this thing doesn't have traction control.
No.
This old thing.
Which we love.
That winds up pretty well.
Doesn't it?
There's no problem getting well over 15 straight away. But that's relatively quick spool up for a BA as well, so that's good.
Yeah, right.
This pulsar thing might make a big difference.
Yeah, okay.
That's all part of the tune selection. So there's each tune slot. Don't look at the top one. It says launch tune. Don't. We'll get to that.
Cut that out.
We'll get to that. No, you can. It's pretty awesome.
Is that 308?
Yeah.
308.
That's a very respectable starting point.
That's not a bad start. 308. I was at 303.
That's beautiful boost. That's like flat 18.
Isn't it? What, 18 pound?
Yeah. I'll tidy up the fueling and see where the timing's at, and we'll leave the boost sitting there. But then you've got this sort of trade-off between boost and the ignition timing.
Yeah.
So I can lower the boost, run more ignition timing, and actually make a higher power.
Yeah, okay.
And it won't be as much heat, because the more boost you're putting in, the more heat being put into the motor. Not that the intercooler system's going to have any issue with that.
No.
But
well, that's it.
We don't want to bend rods either.
Exactly.
If we can drop the cylinder pressure and make it more efficient with timing, then yeah, that's it.
Yeah, sweet. 308, mate.
308.
Launch control. $313, that's a go.
that noise.
Yeah. What is that noise?
I don't know, but then it goes away.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's all right, it goes away. That's the main thing.
Something doesn't like being revved up that high, but it's not even that high. I'm only hitting 6,500. Oh yeah, it's spruce. Damn it, I missed it.
Was that scraping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you see here sort of where it was from?
At the front, definitely.
Suspecting like a pulley or something.
Yeah.
It could still be the aircon doing that. It was off, but I don't think I'm going to do too much from there. It's just going to bounce around those numbers.
Yeah, that's
318's a glory run. 313.
313. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, still smashing the 300, and that's the boost winding up, holding 17. So all conditions all day long.
Yeah.
Bounce around there. My fueling is just flat, sitting nicely.
That's the go.
Norm about 11.8 is what I want on a boosted car on 98. So.
Yeah, perfect.
And that's at the tailpipe, so it's slightly richer at the motor anyway. Enough to not be that smoky and do everything it needs to and be cool enough to just work every day. But
That's the go.
like I said, the 300 club, that was the thing. So
Yeah, perfect.
I don't know what limiting factors there are. I think it's the inlet manifold itself to go much further past this.
Yeah.
Because of that stupid snail plenum.
Yeah.
We used to change up the top, so the company that used to do it in the
They just
early
do
days was Liz
Plasma
Broad.
Man still, they do like a
Plasma,
plenum.
yep.
They just
That's the
put
one
it
we
on
used to
top.
do.
Yeah.
And throttle at the front, and then you get up to 400 easily. But
Yeah.
it must be a huge restriction in that thing.
Well, they say they swapped the FG one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And the FGs are not restricted to that
Yeah,
at all.
they do.
You know, I got a couple of F6s going around at like 450 as a daily.
Yeah, exactly.
On 98, so it's pretty nuts.
That's not bad. Anyway, 313 killer wasps. That's the go.
Decals all over this. Getting it wrapped.
Don't know about that. Yeah. We'll put some decals on Loretta because you can't do too much in Loretta, illegal. Not that I do that anyway. Cams, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth to drive now.
Yeah.
It's not really, I wouldn't really class this as an old clunker anymore.
No, well, I did all the
pretty
suspension and stuff in it as well.
Oh, you did do all that? Yeah, I was
Yeah.
wondering, I'm like, someone's really loved this car, it was you.
Yeah. Pretty much. Yeah, right. That feels good.
Nice and strong.
Good. Feels good. Strong.
The dyno reckons it's roughly 382 at the fly.
At the fly.
It's pretty accurate. Like, it is quite accurate as long as you're doing it in 1-to-1 gear ratio. So,
Yeah. That's the go.
Yeah, nice strong torque. Boom.
Perfect.
I'll laminate these for you and put in a special little folder.
And then, like, when I take it to car shows, I'll put it in my front window. Everyone knows how many kilowatts.
you need the board up the front, don't you?
Yeah.
The printed
and I'll
board with everything
I'll just
on
draw a 1 in front of the 3, you know?
Or like what everyone does when they sell their cars, they only give them the estimated sheet with this big power level.
Exactly.
Make sure the mirrors are underneath.
Yeah. I won't put any mirrors under this thing. Oh, this gearbox is so much nicer. I can't even remember the last time I drove this. Was it that long ago? Goes alright, eh?
That's not bad.
Not bad, good size. Good size. Comes on hard. About 3,500 RPM. It's nice.
Sounds good.
Sounds good, doesn't it? I'm happy with that.
No pop crackle tune.
No. No, we aren't about that life. Hard drive with bloody boots on, that for sure. Ah, that's good. It's good to have it back. Launch control. That's cool. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. Huge thanks to KPM for sorting this thing out. I mean, it was an absolute dog's breakfast when I brought it here, and super grateful for all the help and the new fuel system, the injectors, all that sort of stuff. 313 kilowatt at the wheels, which is great. Drives so much better with that gearbox and everything. I can actually give Loretta a bit of a spell now and drive this around, and Loretta needs a bit of love now, so she'll probably go to the F100 spares and get that sorted. But again, huge thanks to the boys at KPM, wouldn't happen without them. So that'll be it for this video. We'll make sure there's plenty more coming now that I'm jobless, and we have heaps of content coming. So heaps of events, heaps of merch and all sorts of things, but more cars. That's what we love. So we'll see you next time.